Wait, do it again. Alright, now it started.
Hi, Nikki and Mommy.
And Nikki's daddy.
And Daddy.
And brother.
And brother.
Sister.
And sister.
What else do you want to say? Alright, I can't hear you.
Tell them your name. What's your
I
name?
can't hear you.
Chase. You know.
Hi, I'm Say.
Hi, I'm Chase.
Why don't you count? Remember I have to tell you how to count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Aspen, you want to say hi to Nikki's mommy? Daddy?
Aspen, say hi to my mommy. Look, say hi to my mommy. Say hello. Oh, okay. Wow. You want that one? That's a pretty one. Wow. Really pretty one. Show mommy. That one you can take home.
Can we bring this one home? So.
That's a nice one to take home.
Sure, you want to show the video camera?
Do it.
Show the video
Look,
camera.
Mom. Shake my baby shout. Shake.
Stand in the hole. Let's see how she'll show. Whoa, look how she'll show. Can I cover your legs? You want to sit down? Everybody. Us Brady, they did it earlier. The little boy was lying in the sand and they covered him all the way to his neck. It's only his head that's stuck out. You want to do that? Would you just want to put your legs in it? Let's put our legs in the cover of the sand. And you want to do it?